Meditation for transforming health and vitality. Welcome to this meditation designed to support your journey towards improved health and vitality. As you get older, it's essential to align your mind and body with new, empowering beliefs about your health. This meditation will guide you in cultivating a renewed sense of well-being and energy. Practice this meditation daily to nurture your overall health and vitality. Find a comfortable position, close your eyes, and take a deep breath in. As you exhale, release any tension or fatigue you're feeling. Old belief, I'm slowing down as I age. New belief, I am vibrant and full of energy at any age. Take a deep breath and embrace this vitality. Old belief, my body isn't responding well to exercise and diet. New belief, my body is strong, resilient, and responds positively to healthy choices. Take a deep breath and feel this strength. Old belief, eating healthy makes me feel tired and drained. New belief, nourishing my body with healthy food gives me energy and vitality. Take a deep breath and savor this nourishment. Old belief, I struggle to maintain a consistent workout routine. New belief, I enjoy and look forward to my exercise routine, feeling motivated and committed. Take a deep breath and feel this motivation. Old belief, I am stuck with the weight and health issues of the past. New belief, I am capable of achieving and maintaining a healthy weight and optimal health. Take a deep breath and affirm this capability. Old mindset, I need to take naps often due to lack of energy. New mindset, I have sustained energy throughout the day, feeling alert and focused. Take a deep breath and experience this alertness. Old mindset, aging means feeling less energetic and less vibrant. New mindset, aging enhances my wisdom and I embrace each year with vitality and joy. Take a deep breath and welcome this joy. Old mindset, my body is slowing down and not as capable as before. New mindset, my body is evolving and adapting, becoming stronger and more resilient. Take a deep breath and connect with this resilience. Take a moment to feel the shift within you, embracing these new beliefs about your health and vitality. Visualize yourself thriving in every aspect of your health, feeling energetic, strong, and vibrant. Let's ask the universe for support. Universe, I am open and receptive to these new beliefs about my health. I ask for your guidance and support in embracing these beliefs until they become my reality. I trust that as I remain faithful to these beliefs, I will see evidence of improved health and vitality in my life. Thank you. Take a final deep breath in, and as you exhale, slowly open your eyes. Carry these new beliefs with you, knowing that you are capable of achieving the health and vitality you desire.